Hello, and thank you for watching Accelerate with Nerdio. In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up VPN Gateway Services in Azure via the Nerdio Admin Portal. So let's first talk about our agenda today. 1, we'll cover any necessary prerequisites. 2, we'll go through enabling the VPN Gateway Services in Azure via the Nerdio Admin Portal. And then 3, we'll go through a quick example of configuring a VPN connection. From a prerequisite standpoint, what we need to do is obviously enable those VPN gateway services, and then we'll also need any gateway and LAN info for the connection we're trying to create over that VPN. Again, this would be gateway and LAN info for the client side or the non-Azure side of the equation. Let's go ahead and we'll jump into the Nerdio Admin Portal. We'll see that I'm under Network, VPN Connections, and with a fresh environment, right, one where you have not enabled these services prior, you'll see that this toggle is set to off. So our goal is to click on. We'll see a prompt that lets us know we're going to enable VPN connections. We also want to make sure we remember that VPN services do have a cost. The VPN gateway in Azure can run from $24 to $30. This is the basic VPN SKU that we're leveraging. It is IKE v2 and allows for up to 10 connections. I'll go ahead and hit my check mark, click confirm, and this is going to set up those services in Azure. This will likely take about an hour. And again, this is all occurring in the background in Azure. You can continue to do other work while this completes. And here's what it looks like once completed. We can see that services are now on. We have the ability to add VPN connections. We can even start to manage on-ramp, which we'll discuss in another video. So the next goal would be to set up your VPN connection, right? So looking at what we have here, I'm just going to go ahead and hit Edit. This is the same screen you'll get when adding new, but this allows me to have populated information. So as we can see, we would name the VPN. We would provide the gateway IP address. Again, this is the other side of Azure, right? Your client-side firewall. And then put in the local network IP information. Again, this can't conflict with the IP configuration in the Nerdio environment in Azure, so please make sure you double-check those IP addresses before moving forward. Once that's put in, we would hit Save, and we would see exactly what we're going to have back up, which is going to be the information for the connection, a status, which in my case is going to say not connected because I have false information in there right now. But the really cool feature is going to be our ability to look at a full export of what we need to plug into the client-side firewall to be able to get this moving along. We're giving the gateway services just a moment to refresh here, and we'll take a look at that. So if I click View Settings next to this connection, I can see everything needed to set up that IKE v2 VPN. So again, I would go to my client-side firewall, plug in this information, and as long as everything is accurate on both sides, we should see this go to a connected status. Now, please remember, this is really an interface to get the connection set up, but further troubleshooting, if needed, may need to be done through Azure directly in the VPN gateway or through client-side firewall. Now, we will link to any relevant articles in the comments section, and please be sure to visit help.nerdio.net for any further details. Thank you so much and have a great day.